Thyme is a popular aromatic herb in cooking, known for its distinctive flavor and medicinal properties. One of its main characteristics is its ability to fight respiratory infections, being a natural and effective option for relieving symptoms and preventing respiratory problems. In this video, we will explore how thyme works in combating respiratory infections and tips for including it in your healthcare routine. Thyme is a rich source of compounds such as thymol and carvacrol, which have potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. These compounds act directly on bacteria and viruses that cause respiratory infections, such as the flu, common cold, bronchitis, and pneumonia. In addition, thyme also has anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties, which helps to relieve nasal congestion and cough. Incorporating thyme into your diet or healthcare routine can help strengthen your immune system. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. The herb is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects the body's cells against damage caused by free radicals and stimulates the production of white blood cells, which act in defense of the body against infections. How to use thyme to combat respiratory infections. Thyme tea. Make thyme tea using 1 tablespoon of dried or fresh thyme in a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink 2 to 3 times a day, especially during the cold and flu season. Steam inhalation. In a pot with boiling water, add a few drops of thyme essential oil or a handful of fresh leaves. Inhale the steam for a few minutes with a towel covering your head to relieve nasal congestion and cough. Culinary use. Add fresh or dried thyme to your dishes to enhance the flavor and enjoy its health benefits. Thyme goes well with meats, vegetables, soups, and sauces. Thyme is a powerful herb in combating respiratory infections thanks to its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. By including it in your diet and healthcare routine, you will be strengthening your immune system and preventing respiratory problems naturally.